In a polynomial with one variable, the value of the variable where the value of the polynomial becomes 0 is the 0 of a polynomial. In other words, the value of x for which the value of the polynomial equals 0 is the 0 of the polynomial p of x. Let's take up a problem as an example. Find the values of a linear polynomial p of x is equal to 2x minus 4 at x is equal to 1, minus 1, and 2. Let's solve the polynomial for each of these values of x. First, substitute x with 1 in the polynomial. The value of the polynomial is minus 2. Similarly, the value of the polynomial for x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2 is minus 6 and 0 respectively. In this example, the value of the polynomial is 0 when x is equal to 2. Therefore, 2 is the 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x minus 4. In general terms, if p of x is a polynomial and k is a real number, and if p of k is equal to 0, then k is called the 0 of the polynomial. You can determine the 0 of a polynomial through two methods, by trial and error and by equating polynomial to 0. Consider a linear polynomial p of x is equal to 2x plus 4. Let's first use the trial and error method to find the 0 of this polynomial. To begin with, let x is equal to 1. Substituting 1 in the polynomial, you get 6, which is not equal to 0. If x is equal to minus 1, then the value of the polynomial is 2, which is also not equal to 0. Try using another value, 2, as the value of x. The value of the polynomial is 8, which is again not equal to 0. In the fourth try, you use minus 2 as the value of x. You will find that the value of the polynomial is 0. Thus, using the trial and error method, you can determine that the 0 of the given polynomial is minus 2. As you can see, the trial and error method can often be long and tedious. An easier way to determine the 0 of a polynomial by using the other method, that is, equating the polynomial to 0. In this method, you can find the 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x plus 4 by taking x as the subject. Thus, p of x is equal to 2x plus 4. P of x is equal to 0. Thus, the value of the polynomial 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. On solving, you get x is equal to minus 2. This indicates that the value of p of x is equal to 0 if x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, minus 2 is the 0 of polynomial p of x. Thus, you can obtain 0 of a polynomial by equating it to 0.